What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Mercedes-Benz GLC350e Coupe that we have right in front of us here in high-tech silver. Now let us take a walk around to show you guys the amazing color, the amazing shape of this car, at the same time how gorgeous the lights look from the back to the front, from the front to the back, all the way on the interior part of the car as well. Now let us first start off with the front of the car, which is the lights. Now just take a look at the gorgeous lights that we have right here. Now of course they are not turned on just yet. Once they are on, you'll be able to see the DRLs that will actually be lighted up all the way down here with the blue lighting and all the lightings and things like that. So that's what's amazing. You do have an amazing bumper right here that opens up really well for the front where air flows through at the side. You get some matte texture finish on this side right here all over the place. Love the lines that are popping up at the side. You get some gloss black finishing that go around the particular front bumper at the side right there, so that's what's quite nice as well. Now at the bottom right here you have this angular part right here that goes up. I love the sharp part. Got some black lining right here. Love the contra that's happening, the shapes of it. And then the bottom center piece in this chrome finish, which also does look very gorgeous indeed. Now you have your number plate that goes right there. You got sensors located all over the sides. You got your tow hook that goes right there. 360 camera right below the logo that we have right here, which is in glass. That's what's amazing. You can't really feel it because there's a sensor located right on the inside. You have your Mercedes started grille for the front of the car. That's very nice indeed. You got some chrome finishes over here and over there together with some matte texture finish. Very nice as well. Top hood, got Mercedes-Benz badging in black. You got some linings on the hood right here and also here. Very nice indeed. In high-tech silver, so you can appreciate the design of the car the minute the light hits the car, so that's nice as well. So let's move down to the wheels. You do have the gloss black finishing on this side. You got some matte texture over here that automatically the wheel arch follows the body color as well, so that's nice. You got some amazing multi-spoke wheels for your front tire, including the rear. But let's start off with the Continental tire is what they're using for this. You got your Mercedes-Benz calipers right there. Drill disc brakes on the inside. Of course, two-tone wheels for the multi-spoke rim. Gorgeous finish. Tire size is 255 45 R20. So 20-inch wheels for a car like this. So that's nice as well. For the side here, you have your EQ hybrid wording right there, as you can see. Very nice badging. Then at the bottom, you have your side steps in this bright finish, so very cool indeed. Love the side steps, the shape of it, how it's like thin then suddenly becomes thick. Very cool. You have your chrome right here for the door handles when you open up. Your side mirrors are located on this side right here. Very simple and very sleek. Love that it follows the body color. Matte finish down here underneath. 360 camera on this side. You got some chrome finishes all over the side right here towards the back of the car. Let's open up the doors and take a look at what we are looking at on the inside. So we have your leather finishing that happens all over the door. Beautiful, as you can see. Hard plastic at the bottom right here. Compartment storage underneath here. Handle to hold to pull to close the door. The window adjustments up and down. You got your Burmester sound system on this side. Seat adjustments right at the door. Handle to open up. You got your memory seats. You got 3 heated seats, and you have your speakers, Burmester, right up there as well. So very nice looking door. Let's take a look at the side here. You got your Mercedes-Benz plate that says Mercedes-Benz. You got your AMG wording right here on the carpet. Very cool because this is an AMG line. And take a look at the seats. You have some amazing lines right here that go all the way down, similar towards the bottom. Futuristic headrest. I love the shape of it. Very nice indeed. Seat belts are also in black. And let's take a seat right in the passenger seat. And what do we see? We see this amazing metal weave kind of a finish that happens across the whole dashboard, including the driver's side a little bit over there, including on the other side. So very nice indeed. You get your ambient lighting underneath here, all the way at the side, goes right down. Very cool. Even the side of the doors right here, you can see it on the inside. Glove compartment is down here. Storage place to keep some stuff. Amazing leather dashboard that we have right here. Air vents, you got 3 right in the center. You got 1 on the left right here. Amazing ambient lighting on this side as well in the inner part. Cool. your system, you're able to actually turn it on. Let's lower it down. And amazing screen that you guys have, dude. I mean, love the screen, how it's angling towards the driver. That's nice. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. Seat belts are in black. Loved how comfortable the seat is. Love the space of the car. Leg room is good. And let's get right down and take a look at the rear passenger seat. So let's open up the back door. And first thing you notice is that you get a sunblind for the rear doors. You can choose to actually bring it down if you don't want to use it. Now let's take a look at the door design. You have this leather finish happening all over the place. You got your speaker for the Burmester over here and over here as well. Handle to open up the door. Handle to hold to pull to close the door. Window adjustments up and down. You got your compartment storage down here. Once again, hard plastic at the bottom and leather finishing all at the top. Very nice indeed. You have your amazing setup of the seats right here, and also you do get a glass roof that you can actually open up. Can you see that? Very nice indeed. So let's hop right into the back and take a look and feel what are we actually sitting in. So firstly, I didn't adjust the front seats just yet, but it's already good and comfortable enough. Check out what are we looking at from the center. Amazing layout. Love the glass roof that's happening right on top. Amazing indeed. You got your air vents down here, compartment storage down there, and you have another sort of like design like finish, which is supposed to be some sort of charging socket, but I believe there is no charging socket for this. Amazing. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear passenger. Seatbelts are in black, and down here you have your cup holders, two of them. Nice. Let's go all the way in and sit right in the center. So this is me sitting comfortably right in the middle. Headroom is good, and what I'm looking at right again is an amazing layout. Love the glass roof that's happening right on top. And yeah, the front driver's seat has also been moved back, but I can comfortably still get down. So let's get right down and take a look at the rear wheels of this car. So once again, Continental tires is what they're using. Tire size is basically 285/40 R20 multi-spoke wheels. Solid discs for the rear. Brake calipers are right there. Black on the inside, silver on the outside. Amazing finish. You do have your petrol cap that goes on the right, and also on the left side you have your AC charging for your, how to say this, plug-in hybrid, because this is a plug-in hybrid vehicle. So cool. Take a look at the rear. Amazing coupe-like design. Love the GLC350e coupe wording. Love the lightings that are also connected all the way till here, but when you turn on the lights, it's only in here and here. It doesn't go this side. Mercedes-Benz badging right here in the center. We got to push that to open up the boot, but nevertheless, let's take a look at the bottom. You got some matte finishing happening all over the place right here underneath. You got some chrome lining happening right here at the rear. Very nice. Exhaust pipes are right underneath. You got two, one over there, one over here. Not here, not here. Very nice. And let's open up the boot and show you guys what are we looking at. Of course, yes, this carpet is a brand new one. The boot cover, I mean, very nice indeed, very soft and cool. I believe this should be your tire repair kit to fold down the rear seats. Very nice indeed. I like how it's connected in such a way it brings the two seats automatically forward, so the seats can actually fold down. You got your shade to block whatever view that's coming in from the top to bottom. Very nice indeed. Let's take a look at the side here. Amazing space that you guys get for a coupe like this. Very, very cool indeed. On this side, take a look once again. Amazing layout. Amazing layout. So you got some nets right here to keep some stuff. I mean, more like some sort of elastic band. Open this up. Yep, you do have your warning triangle, and I believe this one right here, perhaps you can keep this particular railing inside perhaps. Let's close that down. Take a look at the rear. Fantastic layout. Once again, cool. Love the color. High-tech silver is amazing. Let's take a look at the driver's side. Here we have your amazing doors. leather finish of a door. You have your handles right here to open up the doors, lock, unlock, seat adjustments on this side, window adjustments up and down, and also you got your child lock for the rear windows, front windows, side mirror adjustments, handle to hold to pull to close the door. Love the textured finish for the doors. Compartment storage down here, boot opening and closing right here, Burmester sound system on this side, very cool indeed. You got your Burmester sound system on this side also as well, so very nice setup, man, dude. Take a look at the interior. Mercedes-Benz wording right there at the side plates, AMG on the carpet, accelerator pedal and your brakes in this chrome-like finish, handbrake, lighting, seat adjustments is fantastic as always. Let's hop right in, show you guys the amazing seat finish of a car like this. Now let's get comfortable. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat. You got your flat bottom steering on this side. You got some storage settings on this side for your cruise control. I believe should be over here, but these are your answering call, rejecting the call. These ones right here is to control the main screen over there. You have these ones to control this screen over here. These ones are to control the resume, cancel button, speed limit and whatnot. Drive selector down, reverse up, P is on the inside. You got your lighting and also your wiper sprinklers on this side as well, so kind of cool. Adjustments for the speed. Love how it looks. Push this down. Wireless charging happening right in the center. You got your two Type-C connectivities right here. Two cup holders on this side. Compartment storage right there. Other storage down here together with your Type-C charging. Very nice indeed. Push this down. Cool. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat as well. Amazing indeed. Now let's turn on the DRLs to show you guys how does the lighting look like. And take a look at the front. You have some amazing setup of your lighting that we see right here. Beautiful setup for the front. Love the DRLs that you see right here as well. Amazing layout. Love the blue lining on the inside right here because they're using the digital lights. Very cool. Let's take a look at the rear and admire the back design. We have some lines popping up very sharp like this as well. Gorgeous finish. Take a look. Now let's also turn on the hazard lights to show you guys where does the signal light actually come, and they have them right here as well. So very nice how the lights are there. Very nice how the lights are at the bottom right here. Very cool setup. Love how the car actually looks. Very nice indeed. Check out the rear. You have some amazing setup for the signal lights that are located right there as well. Very cool. So that is it guys for today. If you'd like to find out more about Mercedes-Benz cars, do head down to Cycling Garage PJ, where you can locate this car right here and many more other gorgeous cars they have even on the outside as well. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.